Yeah, hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn about a formula with slicer where we will comment according to our need on the basis of number of days delay and after that we will insert slicer like this, pivot table and slicer according to our need. So I have created one example where we have due dates, product, values, number of days after due date and comment. I will comment that whether the payment, and we have the payment date as well. So I will comment on the basis of number of days passed after due date, that whether it is, we will comment is at bad debts, good debts, call immediately or pay attention. This is the condition. Now the condition is, if the number of days passed after due date is 30 days, comment it as good. It has crossed 30 days but not 60 days, comment it as pay attention. Cross 60 days but not 90 days, call immediately. And it has crossed 90 days, comment it as bad debts. Alright, so let's start. So we have due date, that is 1st January, 2nd January, 3rd January. We have product. We have product, that is mobile, bikes, cars. We have values in rupee, number of days after due date and comment. Okay, and the payment date is 7th of July. The payment date is 7th of July. Now, first of all, I have to calculate number of days after due date. So the formula will be is equals to this date minus this date. Enter. I will drag it down and it will give me an error. See, number of days in the first cell it is correctly 188 days, but from second and from last it is showing the error. Why it is showing the error? Because in the formula bar it is showing formula J20, and the next cell it is showing J21, which is blank. I have to make this cell J20 as an absolute cell referencing. Now for making this cell as an absolute cell, I have to go to the formula, click before J20, and I have to press F4. And if we have function key in the laptop, we have to press function F4. Okay, and then enter. And when I will drag it down, it will not show me an error. See, this time it has counted correctly, and the formula bar is showing J20, J20, J20 minus 825. Now the J20 is common in for each and everyone. That means this date is common and we are subtracting this date. So this is the example of absolute cell referencing. We have logged this cell. We have logged this cell. This is the cell we have, which we have logged. Alright, so now we have values. We are having the formulas but not the values. We will always convert these formulas into values after applying the formula. Now how to convert these formulas into value? I will press shift control drag down, so it has selected all of them. I will press control C, copy, and I will press alt ESV shortcut. Now you can see that it has selected value in the paste special. I will press OK. So now you can see we have values instead of formulas. In the formula bar you can see 186, 185, 184. We have values instead of formula, and we will always convert formula into values before closing our worksheet. Okay, now we will comment on the basis of these number of days after due date, that whether it is good, bad, or pay attention. Now the formula will be is equals to, if this cell is greater than 90 days, then comment bad debts. If this cell is greater than 60 days, then comment call immediately, but quotation mark close, if this cell is greater than 30, then comment, pay attention, and if we have this cell as lesser than 30 days, then comment it as good. Alright, so we have our comment, and it is showing if the number of days after due date is 188, we have to, it will be considered as bad debts. Now this is what we have given the condition, greater than 90, it will be bad debts. Now I will drag it down. Yes, we have the values bad debts. See, the number of days delay is only 2 days, and we have get the comment good. Number of days delay is 50, which lies between pay attention 30 and 60. Pay attention, we get the comment pay attention, and we have our comment everywhere. So this is the formula. Now what was the formula? If D20, this cell is greater than 90 days, comment it as bad debts. We will put the formula, we will put the comment in the quotation mark. If D20 is greater than 60 days, call immediately in the quotation mark. If D20 is greater than 30 days, put pay attention in the quotation mark. And if D20 is lesser than 30 days, this time it is lesser than 30 days, it is good. So this is the formula, and you can use this formula in your Excel sheet as well, and you can comment wherever required. Now let me copy this formula over here, and so it is visible to you as well. See, now it will be very visible to you. This is the formula. Now again, we have, when I am clicking on this bad debts, we have formula in the bar. We will always convert formula into values. So what I will do, I will press shift control down. It has selected all the values. I will then press control C, copy, and then alt ESV. It will take me to the screen of paste special, values by default selected. When I will press V and then OK. Now you can see, when I am selecting this cell, when I am clicking on this cell, it is showing bad debts in the formula bar. When I am selecting this cell, it is showing good. So we have converted the formula into values, and which is necessarily required if we are creating a macro or we are using VLOOKUP. So we should be converting values to the formulas only, this formula to the values only. Alright, so we have our sheet ready, and now we will insert our first pivot table. So here I will insert my pivot table. So for inserting pivot table, I have to click on insert pivot table. It is asking me a range. By default it has selected, let me show you again, table range from this cell to the bottom. See, we have selected it. Existing worksheet, yes, and I have given the cell as well, that is F40. It is written F40. So all is the name of my tab. $F and $40. That means it has logged row and column as well. Okay, so we have our pivot table over here, and now I want filter these this example on the basis of the comment. So this is very important. In this field, in this filter, we will insert that value only on the basis of which we want the filtration. I want the filtration on the basis of the comment. So in this filtration I will only put that value on the basis of which I need filtration. Now see, I have put the comment over here. Now product in the row, we have to simply press left click and then move it down, and it is we have values as well. Why it is not showing the values? Due date, months, number of days after due date, comment. Yeah, so we will again insert the pivot table. Actually this value field was not visible in that. Let us again insert the pivot. So we have to go to insert pivot table. It has selected the area by default, this due date. We have to select that area. Let me show you again. Due date, we have selected it all, and existing, choose where you want the pivot report to be placed. It is F39. It is F39 written over there. We have to simply click. Now see, we have our pivot table over here. So now we have our pivot table. Now in this field of filter, we will put that value on the basis of which we want filtration. हम उसी value को इस field filter field में डालेंगे जिसके बेसिस पे हमें क्या चाहिए, अपना फिल्ट्रेशन चाहिए. मुझे मेरा फिल्ट्रेशन जो चाहिए वो कमेंट के बेसिस पे चाहिए. मैं इस कमेंट्स को इस फिल्टर फील्ड में डालूंगा. मैं प्रोडक्ट को रोज में डाल देता हूं और ये जो वैल्यूज है उसको वैल्यूज के कॉलम में डाल दूंगा. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारे पास पाइवट टेबल आई. वैल्यूज को वैल्यूज में, कमेंट्स को मैं फिल्टर में डालूंगा और प्रोडक्ट को मैं रोज में डालूंगा. ओके, सो वी हैव आवर पाइवट टेबल रेडी. नाउ when I am clicking on bad debts, it will show me the values of bad debts only. That this is the sum bike. So for bike we have bad debts of rupees 15,000, for car 4,000 and 42,000. Now I can also insert slicer for this. Now how to insert slicer? I will select a value, go to the insert, slicer. This is the slicer. I will click on slicer. Now I want slicer to be created on the basis of comments. I will click on comment and then OK. Now we have slicer ready. So instead of selecting this manually, like call immediately, good, pay attention. Now instead of selecting it manually, we have our slicer ready over here. Now what I gonna do, I will simply click on call immediately and it will convert to call immediately. I will click on good. This pivot table will be converted into good. I will click on pay attention, it will be converted to pay attention. Now we have other option as well for this. When I will click on this, it will highlight me option, I can change the color as well for this, and I can check report connection, that this slicer is connected to which report. Suppose if there are two pivot table, whether we have two connections or not. So let's click on report connection. See, this slicer is only connected with one pivot table, and this pivot table is this. I can delink this slicer from the pivot table as well, or I can link as well. So this is a short example of pivot table. I can convert it as per my requirement. I can, this is very user friendly. Now see, we can give it shapes as well. This is one slicer. We can insert multiple slicer. I will click on this. I will go to insert, click on slicer. I will click on pivot table. Sorry, I will click over pivot table. Let me show you again. I will click on pivot table, slicer, and this time I need slicer on the basis of the product. So I will click on product, and then yeah. So we have slicer ready. Yeah. So I need call immediately for cards. So we have this value only. This is the sum for which we need to call immediately. I need to select pay attention for modem. We have this much value for call immediately. Now let's see that whether these slicers have multiple connections or not. So what we're going to do, we'll click on report connection, and this is connected to only single pivot table right now, but we can connect this report as well, this slicer as well, to the pivot table. So we have created another YouTube video for on the base on slicer only, so you can go and check out that video also. So if you like this video, you can like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.